Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of our story, the thief story. Let us open your textbook. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew would one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn and read and write. Here, students, in yesterday's lecture, we learned that Anil and Hari Singh. Anil was a writer and Hari Singh was a thief. He stole money. He means Hari Singh. Hari Singh stole money from the Anil's house and went back to the railway station. He decided to catch the train, but unfortunately he did not catch the train because he did not want to run away. He thinks that Anil was only his survivor. Anil gives him a shelter to live and also food to eat. So he thinks that, and as well as Anil learn him, Anil teach him how to read and write. So Hari Singh thinks that he will earn the money very easily by stealing, but the money he will get by education, by a literate fellow, he will get more money than the theft. So he decided to return to Anil's house. So let us start. Here Hari Singh speaks with us. What he said, that he had forgotten everything about his education. That his education will give him more money than this theft. Okay. The whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. Means here Hari Singh thought that if he will be an educated person, he will earn a more money than this stealing. Okay. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as a simple to be caught. What Hari Singh says, that to steal money is very simple thing, and also to be caught by the police is also a very easy or simple thing. But to be really a big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. Here Hari Singh thinks that he will be educated man and will be a respected man in the society. Education will change his life. He thinks that literate fellow takes the respect from the society. A literate fellow gets the respect from the society than a thief. Okay. But to be really a big man, a clever and a respected man was something else. I should go back to Anil. So Hari Singh decided to go back to Anil. I told myself, here Hari Singh said to us that he told himself that if only to learn, read and write. He wants to go back to Anil only because of to learn and write. Here we are here we comes to know that Hari Singh's mind is changing because of the good things. Because he wants to learn and write. He wants to be a good person. He wants to be a literate fellow and wants to earn the money by good ways. Hari Singh's mind is going to change only because of the virtues which Anil teaches him. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Here Hari Singh tells us that to steal money is very easy thing, but to return the money or to put that money in the former position is a very difficult task. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous. Hari Singh returned back to Anil's home, become very nervous. He conceals that it is much easier to steal something. He conceals to us that it is very easy to steal the money, but it is very difficult task to put that money in the former place. I opened the door quietly. The change the voice of this sentence is the door was opened quietly by me. Okay, the tense of the above sentence is simple past tense. Question tag of the above sentence is didn't I then stood in the doorway in a clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. Anil was sleeping very quietly. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattresses and slipped under it with the notes. In short, Hari Singh put the money very quietly and Anil was sleeping very quietly. I awoke late morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. Means in the morning, Anil wake up and he made the tea for both himself and for Hari Singh also. He stretched out his hands towards me. There was a 50 rupees note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. Early in the morning, Anil woke up and Anil prepared or made the tea for both himself and Hari Singh, and he showed his fingers towards Anil, and in his fingers there is the note of the 50 rupees. Here Hari Singh was very confused. He thinks that he was caught. Means Anil pick up his theft. There was a 50 rupee notes between his fingers. My heart sank. Heart sank means felt depressed. I thought I had been discovered. What Anil thought? That he had been discovered means Anil catches or pick up his theft. I made some money yesterday, he replied. He explained. Now you will be paid regularly. The indirect speech of the above sentence, I made some money yesterday. He explained that he had made some money the day before. Okay. He explained. Now you will be paid regularly. What here Anil told Hari Singh that he had got some money, he earned some money and he will pay Hari Singh regularly his payment. My spirits rose. Become very hopeful. Spirits rose means become very hopeful. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from night's rain. What Hari Singh told us that when I took the note, when Anil gave him the note and Anil take that note was also dry. Means yesterday night Hari Singh was wet because of the rain and the notes also were wet. And still that note was wet. And Anil understands each and everything. Still he did not told anything to Hari Singh. Till he did not say anything to Hari Singh. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. What Anil said to Hari Singh that from today he is going to teach him how to write the sentences. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes show anything. He knew. What he knew? Anil knew everything, that Hari Singh tried to steal the money and he also returned back to his home. But here Anil did not speak anything through his mouth or his eyes did not say anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any efforts. Here Hari Singh smiles with his full heart, means with resourcefully he smiles without making any efforts. He smiles. Here the smiles comes out of his heart, means he wants to change his life. He wants to become a changed person. He wants to become an educated literate fellow and wants to take the respect from the society because of his good behavior. So here we saw that there is the wish of Hari Singh that he wants to become a changed person and he wants to live a life of a proper human being. Okay students, I think you all understand the story very carefully. And now I am going to tell you the meaning in Marathi language. बघा मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बघितलेलं होतं दोन व्यक्ती आहेत, अनिल आणि हरी सिंग. अनिल कोण आहे? रायटर आहे. हरी सिंग कोण आहे? चोर आहे. हरी सिंग काय करतो? मग एके दिवशी अनिलला जे पैसे मिळतात ते पैसे तो अनिल काय करतो, पैसे उशी खाली ठेवून झोपून जातो आणि हरिसिंगच्या मनात चोरी करण्याचा उद्देश निर्माण होतो किंवा हरिसिंग ठरवतो की आज त्याने चोरी केलीच पाहिजे. मग काय करत आहे बघा, तो रात्रीच्या वेळी काय करतो, तो अनिल झोपल्यानंतर त्याच्या उशी खालून ते पैसे हळूच काढून घेतो आणि पटकन रेल्वे स्टेशनकडे पळून जातो. आणि त्या ठिकाणी रात्री 10:30ची ट्रेन असते लखनौला जाणारी, ती त्याला पकडायची असते. ट्रेनने स्पीड घेतलेला नसतो, गती घेतलेली नसते, तरी सुद्धा तो ट्रेनमध्ये चढत नाही, कारण त्याच्या मनात काहीतरी विचार येतात परिवर्तनाचे, नवीन आयुष्य, नवीन उभारीचे त्याच्या मनात विचार येत असतात. त्याला आता नवीन आयुष्य जगायचं असतं, त्याला चोराचं आयुष्य जगायचं नसतं, त्याला एक चांगला व्यक्ती म्हणून समाजामध्ये मान सन्मान मिळवायचा असतो. मग तो ठरवतो की पैसे चोरणं हे अतिशय सोपं आहे, पण त्यापेक्षा जर आपण सन्मानाने जर समाजामध्ये काही पैसे कमवले तर ते आपल्यासाठी अधिक योग्य राहील. मग तो परत अनिलकडे परत जातो, पैसे जागच्या जागी ठेवतो आणि दुसऱ्या दिवशी मग अनिल लवकर उठतो. आणि लवकर उठल्यानंतर अनिल काय करतो, स्वतः चहा करतो, कोणासाठी, त्याच्यासाठी आणि हरिसिंगसाठी सुद्धा. आणि चहा बनवल्यानंतर मग अनिल काय करतो, हरिसिंगला 50 रुपये ऑफर करतो आणि त्याला सांगतो की मी तुला दर महिन्याला 50 रुपये तुझं पेमेंट देत जाणार आहे. अशा प्रकारे आणि पुढे अनिल काय करतो, हरिसिंगला काय सांगतो, अजून मी तुला आजपासून लिहायला आणि वाचायला शिकवणार आहे. अशा प्रकारे अनिल काय करतो, हरिसिंगचं आयुष्य बदलण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतो. आणि त्या ठिकाणी हरिसिंग स्वतःहून इन्स्पायरेशनली स्वतःहून तो काय करत आहे, उत्स्फूर्तपणे हरिसिंग काय करत आहे, अनिलला रिस्पॉन्स देत आहे. आणि त्या ठिकाणी त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावर जे फुललेलं हसू असतं किंवा स्माईल असतं त्याच्या अंतर्मनातून निर्माण झालेलं असतं, त्याने ओढून ताणून खेचलेलं ते स्माईल नसतं. अशा प्रकारे एक व्यक्ती जी चोर असते ती स्वतः आयुष्य बदलण्याचं ठरवते आणि त्या व्यक्तीला त्या आयुष्यातून किंवा चोरीच्या दलदलीमधून बाहेर काढण्याचं काम अनिल हा हरिसिंगचं आयुष्य बदलण्याचं काम करतो आणि त्याला साथ देण्याचं काम कोण करत आहे, मग हरिसिंग. मग या स्टोरीमधून आपल्याला एक मेसेज मिळतो की आपण सुद्धा अनिल सारखं बनवून हरिसिंग सारख्या व्यक्तीला या समाजामध्ये एक संधी दिली पाहिजे की जेणेकरून ते आपलं आयुष्य बदलवू शकतील, एक चांगलं ह्युमन बीइंग किंवा एक चांगलं मनुष्य म्हणून ते आपलं आयुष्य या समाजामध्ये जगू शकतील. अशा प्रकारे हा मॉरल आपल्याला या स्टोरीमधून मिळत आहे. चला तर मग विद्यार्थ्यांना आपण इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप काढूया. प्रत्येकाने पुस्तक ओपन करायचं. इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप पेज नंबर 12 काढा. Complete the web diagrams. या ठिकाणी look here students, here you have given the web. You have to write the web in your answer sheet without making use of the pencils. You have to write with the pen. Okay. Anil's virtues. Virtues means good qualities. Which are the good qualities? Trustful, simple fellow, kind and easygoing. Write down the answers. I again repeat the answers. Anil's virtues: easygoing, trustful, simple and kind. Hari's vices: dishonest person, thief, cheater and liar. Okay. Now second one. Insert the appropriate word and phrases given below in the sentences that follow. Flattery, appealing, by fits and starts, dash to undetected spirits rose. These are the words or phrases. We have to write these words and phrases into the appropriate column. I read the first one. A. I dash dash the school gate when I heard the school bell rang. I fits and starts the school gate when I heard the school bell was ring. After the death my pet dog, my dash dash when dad got me a new pup. Here the answer is number 2. What is the number 2? Spirits rose. Spirits rose. After the death of my pet dog, my spirits rose when dad got me a new pup. Third one. Do not stoop to. Okay. Its answer is flattery. Do not stoop to flattery just to gain something from someone. Fourth one. The artist completes his paintings when fourth one's answer is fits and starts. Okay. The crime went undetected for 11 years. When the baby saw its mother, it gave an appealing smile. Okay. The first one's answer is I dash to the school gate. Okay. The first answer is I dash to the school gate. The second one I again repeat. After the death of my I again repeat the answers only. The answer of second one is the spirits rose. Third one is began. Fourth one is the fourth one's answer is fits and starts. The fifth one undetected. And sixth one appealing. Okay. Third question. Find from the text collocations from the following. Dog, stray dog. Man, greedy man. Ticket, hoppies. Slowly walk. Drizzle, light. Sentences, whole sentence or full sentence. Spirits, rising spirits. Complete the compound words from the story. Oil, wrestler. 50 rupees. Tower, clock, tower. Easy going, moon, light. Now fourth one. Read the story carefully and complete the table. Total characters are 2, which are Anil and Hari Singh. The age of Anil is 25. Age of Hari Singh is 50. Physical appearance, Hari Singh is thin. Earn money by stealing. Qualities, loyal person. Afterwards he changes and become a loyal. Anil 25. Tall and lean. Earn money by writing. Qualities, kind person. Fifth one. Complete the given sentences. Students, you have to write this question properly in your notebook because the same questions are asked in your question paper. Okay, you have to make practice to solve this. Anil kept Hari as a cook because he was alone and he wanted to help him. Hari was grateful. Hari fetched him how to Anil teach him how to write the name whole sentences. Hari continued making money, buying the day's appeals, usually making a profit of about 1 rupee per day. Anil did not hand Hari over to the police because he knows that Hari Singh wants to become a new person. He wants to live a new life. The moral of the story is we should give a chance to everyone to improve his behavior. Now 8.1. This is the important for you. Frame WH questions to get the answer underlined below. Change the first person pronoun to the second person where necessary. I hurried back to the room. These types of questions are asked in your answer sheet. So listen very carefully. I hurried back to the room. Here to the room is underlined part of your sentence. Means you have to frame a question and which answer is to the room. So I make the question, what did you hurry back to? Where did you hurry back to? I hurried back to the room. Room means place. Place means tikan. Means where. Where did you hurry back to? HURRY. He means we have take did, and so hurried is a past tense, so we make the first form of the verb hurried, that is hurry. Second one. I had made the study of the men's faces. What I had made the study of the men's faces is our answer. So what had I made is our question. Third one. I drew them out without a sound. Without a sound. म्हणजे काय आवाज न करता. How did you draw them out? The answer is how did you draw them out? Fourth one. The poor man show acceptance. Who show the acceptance? The poor man. Answer is the poor man. I made tea in the morning. When did I make tea? Okay. The answer is in the morning. So students, in this way we finish our lesson, the thief story and its workshop. I hope you understand it very well. So we will meet soon in the next lesson. Take care and goodbye.